We are pleased to show you the 2023 Expedition. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power retractable running boards, perimeter alarm, inside you'll find smart device integration, trip computer, power adjustable pedals, power tilting steering wheel, tinted glass, universal garage door opener, compass, powerful, controlled, resourceful. Expedition. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.